had that fixed weeks ago.
Oh, good morning, sweetie. Oh, thank you for making my lunch.
You still didn't fix the faucet. That list, it's really important to me.
I'm really sorry. I 100% get to it, I promise.
Okay. Hopefully it's not fix it like you did last time. Hey, honey, I'm going to take Clemmy to the bed. Remember that list that you promised to get done today? Bye.
Oh man, the list. Yeah, I should be able to get it done. Yeah, I should be able to get it done in time for the list game. Yeah. They don't make these all the same size? That's not supposed to look like that. Another trip to the store?
Hey,
Hey,
how'd the list go?
yeah, about that. I went to the store 3 times today and I'm just done.
What? I knew I couldn't trust you. I should have just hired someone to do the work. You're always like, honey, I can do this.
You know what? Dude, man, I'm just ticked. Last Saturday, I didn't get anything done. I missed the football game. My wife's upset at me. And I'm sleeping on the couch because...
Dude, check this app out, bro. You can organize all your projects into one place. You can enter all your materials that you need for that project. And even cooler, you can enter each room's paint color on this app. Wow. Yep, this app has made my life amazing. It's kept me organized. It's kept my family organized. And because of that, my wife loves me. The name of the app is called Project Hub.
That's cool, I'm getting it right now. Saturday morning. But this week I'm ready. Oh yeah, nice. College football, here I come.